Hey guys, right now it's a a slow Saturday night, and I am doing some cooking. And you see my dog Benji. Hi Benji. Say hi Benji. Yes. And here I'm doing some cooking, and he's doing some sewing, of course.
Hi guys.
Yeah, working on cosplay stuff. So, oh yeah. So yeah, I'm making dinner. I'm making big CDs tonight, and it's gonna be a very good dinner. You can see these right here. See? So yeah, just boiling everything. Boiling a new pan. Because my old pan is messed up. So let me get things started with my cooking, and I'll let you know. Well, let you know the final results of the cooking, or maybe just watch me cook or something like that. But I'm sorry, I'm just traveling on because I'm just so much stuff, right, Benji? Right? Right? There's the food right there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start cooking, and yeah, so let me cook and we talk more. Now everything's cooking. The CD's almost done. Right now I'm making the meat. So yeah, I made a big dinner. You know, that's what I usually do when I'm home. Make a huge dinner, and I have much of stuff and leftovers. You know, for me and Gilbert's. You know, to eat. And so, right, Benji? Right? So yeah, so let me start cooking, making the meat, cause it's gonna take me quite a while. I gotta put everything together, so you guys can see how I do everything together. But also, just see what this one's up to, cause he's making his, well, not making his, but he's making somebody wanted a cake for him. So, but yeah, so a lot of work. Look, right now it's boiling. So much work. Right, Benji? Right? Right? The ground beef looking so good. Just, like always. Cooking food. Chef cosplayer here. After doing that, see the noodles is done. Once the meat is done, I gotta put together the soup or the beef and noodles. So yeah, it's a long process. Well, that's what you get to be a cosplay chef. Right, Benji? Benji? Right? Well, this is what I usually do when I make my meats and so. Good, everything. Okay. Good. Now we gotta get ready to do the mixing. Mix up the meat and mix up the noodles and add cheese, fuego, and extra stuff, you know. But I'm gonna do all the mixing and see you guys. Well, hope you guys see the final result because it's good. You guys need to try some. So here's the final results. Just gotta heat this up. We add cheese, meat, and everything. Everything should be ready. I should wear this with my cosplay. What do you guys think? You guys want to cook? Wear my cosplay? That'd be so cool, right? But let me heat this up because it's gonna be done. Well, what time is it now? Well, it's 7:36. No, 38. And this should be done like around an hour or so because it has to make everything moist and melt the cheese inside, and so you barely see any cheese because it's already missing. So but yeah, let's go check on this guy and see how he's doing. So what are you making again?
I'm doing this commission work for this guy that he created his own original costume, and he wanted me to make him a trench coat, kind of like Neo's trench coat from the Matrix. And yeah, I just added a zipper. I gotta work on the sleeves a little bit and the collar, and then add the bottom part, which is the bottom opens up.
I just realized we still have our stocking.
Huh?
I just realized we still have our stocking right there. I forgot that way.
Oh. Yeah. Just trying to do the sewing process and trying to get it done and everything. It's not easy, but it takes a lot to do.
Yeah. That's the sewing machine I bought him for Christmas.
Yeah, he bought me this for Christmas, which I'm really, really grateful and happy for it. It's like one of my favorite things. They said that sewing keeps your mind off of things.
Yep. This is what he's making for one of his customers.
Yeah. He ain't the butt customer though.
Yeah. But I like to see the final results when he wears this with his whole costume and everything.
Yeah. I think it's gonna look awesome.
Yeah. That's cosplay work.
Yeah. I could imagine when I start sewing my Hawkeye costume. It's gonna be a lot of work.
Yeah. A lot of work.
Huh? This is why I'm trying to do costume that has to do with more armor and less sewing. And stuff.
At least it's not bad. At least you doing the main stuff, which is the inner stuff, instead of just the outside stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
Because at least with the armor and all the stuff, that's different. You can use sewing machine for that.
No, I know.
I mean, I think some can, but not.
I've seen people use foam and they sew it. Like, not the Eva foam, like the craft foam. I haven't got to that level yet of using that yet, but I will soon. But did my partner tell you guys what he's gonna wear for Lexington?
No, not yet. Oops. I'm sorry. No, we know. Well, basically, I'm wearing the same energetic costume again because I don't have anything else yet to wear on that time. So you guys will see me wearing that same outfit again.
You guys gonna be seeing me wearing Tank Girl.
Yeah, he has a Tank Girl outfit that he already made. A gender bender Tank Girl.
Yeah. I was really excited for that costume. And stuff. I know that you guys were probably wondering about what happened to my Archangel. That's like a preview of a trailer of a movie.
Well, what it is quality is main focus than just doing that cosplay. So especially we are on the budget. So
yeah, I mean, I got all my stuff there. It's just the thing was that I don't have a job and I'm looking for work at the moment. So everything that requires costume wise and stuff like that, yeah.
This is the table that I bought. It's not messy now.
It's really messy.
Yeah,
It's kind of my little studio. So you guys gonna see me start doing this? I keep forgetting to put in the music.
Is this sewing is easy to do? Like
It is, but it takes like if you want to get like the right measurements. I mean, not the measurements, but if you want to get it like in the right seam. Like if you wanted like a perfect lining like this, and if you wanted to fit it well, that's the hard part. And sometimes like you gotta stop, look at it if the lining is right. Stuff, but other than that, it's easy. Just don't get your fingers on it.
Yep. And this is actually your first time using it, right?
Yeah, this is my first time using it.
Yes, because I bought this. How long? Two years ago.
2 years ago, yeah.
Yeah, I bought it 2 years ago. He haven't used it at all. So
I haven't used it. This is my first time using it, and the reason why was that because we were working. I was working on something. We were both actually working on something else, and what I was working on, we just pretty much had armor. I already had something underneath it to go with it that I didn't pretty much need to sew anything. That was Moon Knight actually, and I pretty much had the armor, so that was. Yeah, I haven't sewed for almost 2 years. Remind you, I went to fashion school for sewing. But this is my first time using this, and I like it. I haven't got my fingers caught, so that's the good part.
So I'm eating food. See right here. Right here. And you ate the food, of course. Right?
Yeah, of course I did. It was really good.
So yeah. I am just on YouTube looking at stuff. And yeah. I'm about to look at some videos, probably watch some TV and stuff. And he's gonna continue with his doing his stuff.
Which I'm almost finished now.
Let's see. but yeah, so yeah, just looking at all the videos here. So yeah, I'm eating my food and hold on, let me just look. There we go. Eating my food and yeah, so so I'm gonna eat and do my stuff. So I hope you guys have a good day or good weekend in case I don't see you, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye. Bye. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you guys like what you see and you want to see more of the upcoming videos like the reaction review, let's plays, more vlogs, and even music, just click here and subscribe here if you guys want. And if you guys want to see my last video with me doing the let's play of Unfair Mario, just right here, just click here. And I see you guys later, and I hope you guys have a good day and happy day. Bye.